I'm Tess and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a southwestern corn and black bean salad with a spicy Chipotle dressing. Stay tuned. Being summertime, this corn salad with a Chipotle dressing is a nice addition to the plate. Easy to make, lots of flavor and spice, and you can serve it as an appetizer, side dish, or add some grilled chicken on top and make a meal. So let's get started. I have some fresh corn that I'm using, but you can use a can of drained corn. In goes a can of rinsed and drained black beans, some diced tomatoes, and I'm using some cherry tomatoes, finely diced red onion, and you can use garden onions, some bell peppers, and I used a combo of green and red for some color, a half of a seeded jalapeno pepper for some heat, and this is optional. Gotta have some fresh chopped cilantro, juice of half of a lime, and some salt and black pepper. For the dressing, I'm using some sour cream and Chipotle mayonnaise. This is really going to add some flavor, spice, and creaminess. If you want to know how to make the Chipotle mayo, I will leave a link here and in the Show More section below. Giving that all a good toss and refrigerating for 1 to 2 hours before serving. This southwestern corn and black bean salad has so much flavor and texture. You can serve it with some tortilla chips, in lettuce wraps, burritos, as a side dish to any meal, or make it a meal by topping with some sliced grilled chicken, beef, pork, or fish. I made some quesadillas with the corn salad, so stay tuned for that video recipe. I hope you give this southwestern corn and black bean salad a try, and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!